Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your services with Blue Cross Blue Shield step by step clearly. To activate your services with Blue Cross Blue Shield, begin by gathering your personal information. You will need your member ID number, social security number, and contact information. Next, visit the official Blue Cross Blue Shield website. Locate the Member Services or Activate Your Accounts section on the homepage. Click on that section to proceed. You may be prompted to enter your member ID number. Fill in the required fields with your personal information. Once you've entered your details, click the Submit button. You should receive an email or SMS confirmation regarding your activation. Follow any additional instructions provided in the confirmation message. If you do not receive a confirmation, check your spam or junk folder. For further assistance, contact Blue Cross Blue Shield customer service. You can find the customer service number on the website. Have your member ID and personal information ready when you call. Once your services are activated, you can access your benefits online. Log into your account using your username and password. Ensure your information is up to date for seamless service. You are now ready to utilize your Blue Cross Blue Shield services. Always refer back to the website for any updates or changes to your benefits. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for support. With these steps, you are equipped to activate your services with Blue Cross Blue Shield effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.